So here's how to link another page on Wix. But before we start, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Wix for free. So from the Wix dashboard, go ahead and click on Site and Mobile App on the left. After that, click on Design Site on the top right corner. You will then be taken to the Wix website editor. Give it some time to load up. So as you can see, we're now in the editor page. Over here, go to the section where you want to add the link to the other page. For example, let's go with this text. After selecting it, you will get to see all of these options. Click on the link option right here. Then select what you want to link to. Choose one from these options, such as Page. You can also set if you want it to open in a new window or your current window. Now, from this drop-down, select Which Page. As you can see, all your website pages are available right here. Once you're done, click on Done. Now, if anyone visiting your website clicks this text, they'll be redirected to the page to which it is linked to. And that is exactly how to link to another page on Wix.